Unlocking the phrase, "in her good graces." Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase, "in her good graces." This expression is rich with meaning and history, and understanding it can add a layer of nuance to your English conversations. So, let's explore what it means to be in someone's good graces and how you can use this phrase in your daily interactions. In her good graces refers to being in a state of favor or approval with someone, particularly a woman or a female authority figure. When you are in her good graces, it means she views you positively and you have her support or affection. This phrase can be used in various contexts, from personal relationships to professional environments. The phrase, "in her good graces," has historical roots dating back to when the concept of grace was closely tied to nobility and favor in royal courts. Being in the good graces of a monarch or a noble meant you had their approval and were likely to receive benefits or favors. Today, the phrase is used more broadly to describe positive standing with anyone, not just royalty. Using "in her good graces" in conversation can add depth and sophistication to your language. Here are a few examples. In a professional context, I need to stay in her good graces if I want to get that promotion. In a personal relationship, after forgetting our anniversary, I have some work to do to get back in her good graces. In an academic setting, submitting my project early helped me get in her good graces before finals. These examples show that being in someone's good graces can be beneficial, whether to advance your career, maintain harmony in personal relationships, or succeed academically. While "in her good graces" is a phrase used in English, the concept of seeking favor is universal across cultures. However, the expression and importance of gaining approval can vary significantly from one culture to another. In some cultures, the concept of honor and favor is deeply ingrained in social interactions, making this phrase particularly resonant. Thank you for joining us to explore the phrase, "in her good graces." We hope this video has enriched your understanding and use of the English language. Remember, language is not just about words. It's about the history, culture, and stories behind those words. Keep learning, keep exploring, and see you in the next video.